My name is Joshua Lee. I'm doing an assignment to see which is better for fuel, and I'm going to start with biodiesel. It is made from soybeans, and you can use grease from restaurants as well to do this. It contains no petroleum but can be blended half and half. It has been tested with Clean Air Act and does not leave emissions, and it has reduced CO2 to about 45 to 90%, and it has less than diesel emission. My next is CNG. It's compressed natural gas. It can be liquid or gas, and it's under pressure about 3,000 pounds per square inch. There's 3 types of wells you can get this out of, and it's mostly non-American wells that we use. It requires a low cost to get, and it's 80 to 90% cleaner burning. And compared to regular gasoline of $1.78 per gallon, it would be $1.40 per therm, which is also a thermos. My next is battery electric vehicles. It's been around since 1900s, but we've never been totally big into them until the past 10 years ago, when everything was all the global warming junk. It's zero emissions, but the downfall is it's low speeds and it has a low mile span. My next is solar powered. It provides 1% of the electric in the US. There's 3 ways to harvest this. It's free if you buy it, but the thing is, when you buy it, it's really expensive. But it's low maintenance, but you don't get it at night because therefore there's no sun, which causes the solar reaction. And to get a very good solar power, you would be in a very sunny climate. Then we have wind powered. With the amount we created in 2012 alone, we could power 2.3 million average size homes. It's very costly and it's pretty big and bulky, so it would take a lot to get it there. And also it needs to be very windy where you live to have this. But the great thing about it, it's safe and it's clean because it's only wind powered. It's like a generator by wind. Next and the last is hydroelectricity. It's 19% of the world's electricity, and there's no CO2. It's environmentally healthy, and depending on the size of the dam, you would have to have government inspection. Grants and loans are available to get these things because they're mostly put in by dams, and we use that a lot these days. It's cheap and easy to find parts for a small thing to use. It's like a generator for water. You can put an alternator in the water and just use a metal barrel, and the current would turn the alternator and it would create an electric spark, which also would cause you to have electricity. And if I would pick any of these, I would pick hydroelectricity just because of that. Alright, thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Well, if I ever see the morning, just like a lizard